Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to make professional website in Vue 3 with Bootstrap 4. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please pause the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Vue 3 updates. So friends, here we go. First, I will show you complete website look. Simple, beautiful. See guys, fully professional. And guys, it's very easy to make. And don't worry, I will also tell you about the code. First, I will show you its responsiveness. So guys, see, site is fully responsive for mobile, just brilliant. iPhone X. See guys, site is fully responsive. iPad Pro. So guys, have you seen Vue 3 website building is very easy. So guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And guys, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.